SARS is the virus that I just want to minus. Hey, yeah, it's not SARS anymore. Oh, start already. Hello, I'm Puan Tzu Kang. Today, I'm not here to tell you jokes or make you laugh, because the coronavirus disease 2019 is no laughing matter, even though it is less deadly than SARS. Don't pray. First, we need to practice good personal hygiene. Wash your hands with soap as much as possible. Use hand sanitizer if you don't have soap and water, huh? Why? Dig for what? Dig for gold, is it? Set your health and check your temperature every day 2 times. If someone says, you are hot, it's not a good thing. Also, don't touch your face and your eyes with your hands, okay? Maybe your hands not clean. Hey, I say don't touch your face. You know what's face or not? The part on top of your neck one. Hey. Oh, also don't forget to keep your house and the surroundings clean and well ventilated. Wow, this window good quality, so strong. Actually, it's not only about taking care of ourselves. We also need to be socially responsible. During this period, don't shake hands. Want to say hello? Just hello. Hello. If you sneeze or cough, cover your mouth with tissue paper. Share love, not virus. Use your brain, okay? Use your brain. If you are sick, wear a mask and don't go to crowded places. Please, go and see a doctor and stay home. Don't your papa act hero. Oh, and if you kena home quarantine order or leave of absence, just stay at your designated location, okay? Don't sabo ho. Follow these steps and look out for one another. Together, we will get through this.
Let us be together, aspire to achieve. No matter what, no matter when, together we will stand. Let us never be afraid if we have to change our ways. Through the years we'll always stay one in every way.
Together we make a difference. One voice, one destiny. We remain undivided, our hearts in harmony. Together we make a difference. Our friends, our families. We'll stand strong, we'll never quit. Together we feel the Singapore heartbeat. Together we make a difference. One voice, one destiny. We remain undivided,
our hearts in harmony.
Together we make a difference. Our friends, our families. We'll take care of you and me. Together we feel the Singapore heartbeat. The Singapore heartbeat.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आप लोग का सभी का स्वागत है फिर से एक बार कॉफ़ी एट होम. एवरीबडी इज़ वेलकम टू कॉफ़ी एट होम. दिस इज़ अ स्पेशल प्रोग्राम that comes every Monday at 5 p.m. on this page. एंड टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट. और आज हमारे बीच जो आने वाले गेस्ट है बड़े ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है. इनका रेफरेंस मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहने वाली डॉक्टर पूवन ने दिया था. एंड उन्होंने बोला था कि आप इनको क्यों नहीं बुलाते गेस्ट बोल के. एंड so I got this reference from Dr. Puvan from Australia, and she asked me why don't we call Dr. Siva Kumaran on this show, and I did so, and it was very nice that Dr. Siva accepted my request and he's ready to come here on this show. So as usual we'll be asking him 5 set of questions, but there is something very special for the people who don't understand English. आपको ये बता दूं कि डॉक्टर शिवा की एक खासियत है, और ये पीरियड में उन्होंने जो किया है इसके बारे में आज ये शो में कुछ और भी चीज़ आपको सीखने मिलेगी. तो आप लोग जो DXN से जुड़े हुए हो और जो नहीं भी जुड़े हुए, जिनको गैनोडर्मा के बारे में जानना है, उनके लिए भी ये शो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देयर आर पीपल हु आर अ पार्ट ऑफ DXN, फॉर देम टू नो समथिंग अबाउट गैनोडर्मा इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम डॉक्टर शिवा, बट ऑल्सो दोज पीपल हु आर नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ DXN but are still inquisitive to know about ganoderma. This is a program for you to watch. So without wasting any further time, let us give a call to Dr. Siva, and he is in Malaysia. Let me give him a call. Good morning, Dr. Siva.
Good morning,
Wow.
Dr. Rajesh. How are
Yes,
you?
I am doing good. I have just pulled you up on the screen and you look awesome on the big screen. Fantastic, and thank you so much for coming on this show.
Thank you. So giving me the opportunity.
Yes. So, Dr. Siva, before I set forward into asking you certain questions, just a brief, if you could just in brief tell me about how are things and what are you doing in this lockdown period?
Okay, for time being, it's not only me is locked down, the whole world is locked down. That is the biggest lockdown in my life. And but we keep on ourselves busy. So we need to make sure all the things is done because I have a lot of my patients, to make sure they get their products, their medication on time. So what we do, we call them because we have the list of them, and we give a call to them and make sure their stock is up to date, and we arrange courier services to send to them. At least they don't miss their medication.
Okay.
And because we have a lot of patients, so we need to call them. So every day just time pass like that.
Okay. So my questions, I just got to know that you recently also published a paper, and this paper is very interesting. I got a chance to read through that, and I'm going to actually go through that paper. I have that paper pulled up on the screen. Yes, and it says Gynotherapy and Holistic Human System is the pathway of holistic health for immediate relief for COVID-19. Oh, that is a paper by you, that Siva Kumaran Karopia and Lim Xiaojin, Dr. Lim himself, So it's a fantastic paper to come at the right time. Can you just, in brief tell me something more about it?
When the lockdown period started, we have done, I've done few research through things. Then it's come to my mind that why can't I approach the Ministry of Health sending some research papers. So I communicate with the company and I write one research paper. Then with the documents, some of the documents we submit to the Ministry of Health. Then they reply us. They say that for time being the situation under control. We will wait until further notice. Okay, at least I done my part. So the next step I see, why can't I publish to this to the world, because it's not. Only we should know these things. Everybody in the world should know these things, that something can work together to immunize our system. So our product is the best product to immunize our system. So because of that, I put effort, do this paper, and put publications. Try to first we submit to the publication, and I don't. First of all, I don't think they will accept the paper, but suddenly I got a mail that they accept the paper. Then I send back to the company, check with the Ms. Tan and Dr. Lim. Then Dr. Lim said, go ahead. Then we go on after that, because after that there's a few steps need to be go down. There's a typesetting, proofreading. So from the acceptance dates, it take me 1.5 months to be published, because so many changes we need to do, because it's not easy to publish a simple paper, because they have a lot of typesetters, there are a lot of changes need to be done. They even check your grammar, they even check your sentence, they even check your proof, they even check your every reference. It's not like you just fill up your empty space. No, it's not like that. So after they go through, because OJPM is actually Open Journal of Prevention Medicine, if you say they are very strict on publishing each and every paper. Why they put under the Open Journal? Because there's some publication fee we need to pay. Then anyone in the world can get the paper. So not like Elsevier and some other impact journals. Every paper that you need to get, you need to pay for it. You need to pay every page. Every journal you want to download, you need to pay. But Open Journal is actually very good platform that we can put. So when I do research, I don't see anything in gynotherapy. So consider this paper is the first gynotherapy publication paper in the publication environment, journals environment. And it will help for, I think this paper, whoever read this paper, it will help a lot of people in terms to immunize themselves. And it's also a big helpful for all the DXN member to see some evidence-based papers to make sure they are not worried about eating RGGL. So it's already there. Just eat immunized system. And we also tested with some of the patients, and I got so many testimonials. I found some of my members that working in the hospitals, they are live direct with this, they are contact direct with the COVID patient, and I got a feedback all over their colleagues has been positive, but they are negative. It's not 1%. I got few case studies came back to me, and they said they are all still until now negative, even though all around their nurses, their friends, all these things, the doctor surrounding has been positive. So this is mean that the paper that we put mean that RGGL Ganoderma proven in terms of immunized our system for this virus.
So So Dr. Siva, from a doctor's perspective, I actually analyzed your paper. I read through, and I have some questions for you, because now I thought since you are there, I better ask you some questions on the paper, because when you talk about paper, it is very difficult for people to read the whole paper.
Yes.
But if you have the one who actually presented the paper, if he can help, to understand certain parts of the paper, it becomes helpful. So I will need to even translate that in Hindi, because there are a lot of audiences in Hindi also. So आप लोग जो हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं समझते उनके लिए मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि अभी डॉक्टर सिवा ने एक डॉक्टर लिम के साथ मिलकर एक पेपर पब्लिश किया था ओपन जर्नल ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन में. ये जस्ट मार्च में ही पब्लिश हुआ है, और इसका नाम है गैनोथेरेपी एंड होलिस्टिक ह्यूमन सिस्टम इज़ द पाथवे ऑफ होलिस्टिक हेल्थ फॉर इमीडिएट रिलीफ फॉर कोविड-19. और इस पेपर में कुछ बातें ऐसी कही गई है, लेकिन मैं उसके ऊपर कुछ सवाल पूछने वाला हूँ. I'm going to ask Dr. Siva some questions after reading this paper. And first of that is, Dr. Siva, I was seeing that and I see, if you see it on the screen, I have marked it yellow. In your abstract, you say, a combination of gynotherapy and knowledge of holistic human system enhances the alternative medicine era into battling these chronic cases and creates a powerful immune system to protect against it. Now that's a big statement coming, very good, but will you please elaborate?
Okay, these statements is based on, you see, gynotherapy is a method we detoxification our system and balance back our system. At the same time, what I put is the human holistic system is the way how we our daily activity. Means that you must have your good sleep, you must have your good exercise, you must make sure your your mind is clear. So that's why Dr. Lim come out with the Sunya therapy. Clear your mind, reset your mind, make sure you're always in the positive mode, not in the negative mode. See, all these things comes under the human holistic system. That means we as a human have to practicing the holistic way of life. Currently, no one is practicing holistic way of life. We see they don't sleep at all. We see they keep on eating 24 hours. We see they don't even drink a good water. Soda water is the best for them, they think. Beer is another thing. Alcohol. So all these things it's come under the holistic human system. It's not only gynotherapy only playing a role. You must see, you also have to play a role as a human. You must work, and you must activate yourself in a holistic way. Then this gynotherapy and human holistic system can combine and make you perfect. So that statement is
meant for them.
what I
Okay.
explained. Yes, made for them. Yes.
Okay, great. I move forward, because I went through the whole paper, and I have another thing. Now, here there are 2 pointers. One is the paper, this paper written on the 16 years direct experience of author 1, that is you, and 27
Yes.
years of author 2, that is Dr. Lim. Treated based
correct.
on the real-time result and testimonial from a patient who has been treated based on this alternative medicine treatment, that is gynotherapy and holistic human system. This is one point. So I just want to validate, the efficacy of this paper is more on the basis of practical experience by you both as practitioners, And second is to knock down. Now here comes the statement. To knock down the virus, we need to improve the immunity function of the body to find cures for the diseases. We have to work backwards, prepare the system to fight disease, not to find cures for the disease. Now here, please, I would like a little elaboration from your side.
Okay. As far you know, Dr. Lim is already worked 27 years. I think he has been treated more than a million cases.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure.
That is the life testimonial. And same thing, in 16 years, I'm every day seeing a patient. If you calculate, not in the COVID time, every month I'm seeing almost 500 patients. Okay. So this is all live cases that we see, and we see the improvement of daily basis. Means that you will know this product really works on the human, and it is the real life testimonial when the people telling you back. Okay, if you see the increment of the patient always happen when you giving a good services in terms of gynotherapy and in terms of human holistic system knowledge. Because when they came to see me, we are giving them both knowledges, not only gynotherapy and also their lifestyle. Changing of lifestyle is a changing of holistic methodology in their body, in their system, in their family. Okay, so this is the thing that we want them to practice. Okay, so the next one, we have to, you see, currently in this world, we cannot find lot of medicine for lot of diseases, especially chronic cases, and also especially lot of viruses. We have some bacteria medicine, antibiotics for bacteria, but we don't have anything to virus. Even though a single dengue patient not been treated well, and end up we can hear they have been died because of dengue, because of liver failure. So these things cannot be accepted. And in my life, 16 years, I've seen more than 2,000 over dengue patients. I've treated them very easily. And most of the patients, after I treated, I think they stay just in home. They just drink the water. I told them, if it's critical, go to hospital. If you are very active, if you feel that your system is good, you can move around and no fever, no nothing. You feel like a normal people. That means the system is fighting backwards internally, it's fighting backwards, not with the drugs. That means it right backwards to immunize your system, and the system is fighting the thing. Holistic medicine always immunize your system, strengthen your system, and balance your body to have all the ability to fight the diseases. This is how the body is been created. It's not my body, it's everybody's system. Since human born in this world, this system already created in each and every body. But in this modern era, what we're doing, we are changing and demolishing our own human system. When we demolishing, end up we need to go and find some modern medication. But even though there's a mild solution there, but in a long-term purpose, we can see lot of side effect, and the person become very bad in shape. So this is why the second statement has been put.
Okay, great.
Okay, clear?
Yes, absolutely. So I'm going to investigate further. I'm going down. Now on the screen, this is for the people who want to know more about Ganoderma. You have actually presented the complete breakdown of the bioactive compounds of Ganoderma. And this is for all those people who want our research. So this is not for you. I just wanted to let people know how in depth you have gone into making people understand the importance of Ganoderma. So I move forward. I want to bring your notice to this particular statement, this paragraph. The combination of these natural sources to be strengthens the immune systems of the patient and non-patient for the normal person or frontline medical personnel. Okay, you're here also quoting that only not a normal person, but also the people who dealing with patients who are suffering from any viral conditions. Okay, you're saying that Ganoderma, which in brackets you have put as the king of herbs, black cumin, that's Nigella sativa, the black seed, then you have Andrographis paniculata, and Roselle. You have added 3 more along with Ganoderma. And this is the combination therapies you are saying we can prescribe to the COVID-19 patients and to normal people or medical frontliner peoples, which can strengthen the immunity and ability to perform duties and take care of patients without any worries. Now that is kind of a holistic prescription for all those people who are dealing with these patients or who are having the fear of getting infected.
Yes, these 4 items that I quoted in this paper, because I've done a fully research and supporting evidence has been given in each prescription. That means for Ganoderma, we have enough evidence base that Ganoderma have an antiviral. Same thing to the black cumin, have the antiviral association, and Androgy also have the antiviral association, and vitamin C also have an antiviral association. So ability, this been quoted based on the lot of research papers that been tested in the field, in the research area, and they found out that all these 4 elements is very powerful in terms of antiviral balancing. So you can balance the virus, you can neutralize the virus, and it also can help the immune system to kill the virus. So based on this research, and we have come out with the summary. I have a summary, but I didn't put in the paper. That summary is my own research. So based on that summary, we found that a lot of research papers, they have quoted that Ganoderma, black cumin, Androgy, and Roselle are very good antiviral associated to the human being. And it's also stated that whoever taking more dosages, nothing to be worried and no side effect. So these are the things that's been quoted in a lot of research papers. So we take that into a statement, we put it inside. So that's why we have to see back. If you want more details, you have to go and read all the reference. This paper actually based on the research, based on the cited research. We call it, this is a cited research, that means a review research. A review cited research paper. I didn't go to field. I do the in the pharmacologies, you go and check all these things and you do the test with virus. So know that. So there are a few types of research publications. Some is people already done the research. you collect all this research, you combine into a platform, then you make a paper. Then you put into a field which is the best for this kind of solutions. So this paper is a review cited paper to make sure that all these 4 ingredients is good enough to fight the virus, because it already fight the more powerful viruses. Means that hepatitis B, you can see I quoted there some of the hepatitis B. It is also good for dengue viruses. It also good for herpes viruses. Means that this product, each and every one have the ability to knock down these viruses that currently in modern medication environment they're still struggling out with the vaccines. Okay, so in this point of view, so this product can help the immune system, and the immune system have the ability to fight the virus. So COVID virus, we don't see it, there's not much research out yet, like hepatitis B, like a herpes simplex virus, like a dengue virus. There are so many viruses in the field. Okay, so all these viruses has been researched that mean that this product can knock down the virus. So in the conclusion, so if we see COVID, it's also a virus. So if we have enough evidence to bring down and knock down a lot of virus, even though HIV also quoted in a lot of research papers, we can see the CD4, CD8 counts has been reduced and the person become normal. And I also got a lot of live cases. Until now they are okay, and all the viral load has been come down. So after taking our Ganoderma combination with this product, means that this COVID also can be taken. But at the same time, if people are positive, they also have to request to go down to the hospital to get the combination treatment. So means that what I'm saying is, this product that we created, the 4 items, is not a cure for the system, but it's an immune booster. When you take this product and take it in yourself daily life, it strengthens your immune system. At the same time, if you are positive, your chances recovering is very, very high. Okay, so you can be saved. Okay, and after I giving to a lot of people that working in a front line. This is the information based on the frontline people that currently taking. We found out that even though their person that their contacts with has positive, but they are still negative. Means that the immune system has been strengthened. That means their body has the ability to fight the virus because their result is negative.
Now, I totally agree to this. All the research that is being done in the labs for the virus is basically done in a petri dish with all those things. But to do something in the body, everybody's body immune system is different. To include the immune system also into fighting and combating the virus is only done on the human body. And these herbs that we are talking about, Ganoderma, the Nigella sativa, all those things, we have a history that dates back to almost 2,500 through 3,000 years of human usage. They are safe. They have proven their efficacy over time. So what you say, I completely endorse. Okay, now let me see. I am almost coming to the end of your research paper, and let me see. No, that was it. So I have actually gone through your research paper, and I find you have done a fantastic job. So really, I really want to thank you, and thank you, Dr. Lim, for doing this. And so applause. Okay, now we get back, and this was just an introduction teaser. Now we are going back into the main show, where I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Okay, and you have the chance to explain that in short, in nicely. My 5 questions, because I'm very inquisitive as a person. So let me start with the first question. Are you okay?
Okay, good.
Okay, so first question here on the screen, it says, as a doctor, how do you see DXN different from other pharmaceutical and wellness companies?
Okay, so if you see, pharmaceutical companies are normally, they are creating something from the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmacologists, the scientists create something. So they do a lot of extraction, chemicalizations. But in you see DXN, we don't use all chemicals. What we see, is a botanical research products, mean botanically grown products. So if you see in US, we have been registered the products under dietary DSHEA, Dietary Supplement Health Education Act 1994. That means botanically grown vegetables mean something that controlled environment. That's why we have ISO 14001. It's an internationally controlled environment. ISO 14001 means that the product is fully monitored without any chemicalization, any fertilization. So a lot of things. We are creating something organically. Okay, so it's 10 times or 100 times safer than what we eat from the pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical company, they're creating something for cureness. Okay, but we don't do something for cureness. You must remember that. Holistic medication such as Ganoderma, all the products in DXN, it immunize your system, strengthen your system. It will support all the missing elements, essence in your body, and it will fill up all this essence in your body to make you more perfect, more healthy, more healthy, more perfect, and you have a long life. This is the things we are going in. So if our body accepting all this natural essence, you can live longer without any problem. You can see nowadays people are suffering with lot of problems, diabetes, pressures. Why these things happen? And did there any solution? 20 years people taking diabetes medicine end up with kidney failure. Okay, so where we are leading and where we are going. So even though that patient looking at the same doctor and taking a medicine ton by ton, back by back, end up with dialysis, I don't think you are going in a correct direction. We are putting ourselves in a big risk. But if you combine, because why? The drugs need more, it will peel off and will pull off all the nutrition in the body to eat to perform. So your body become lack of nutrition, lack of essential minerals to perform. Your cells are dying. So by putting together with the natural holistic medication into your body, like what DXN provided, is the best to support your system, even though you can take together with the modern medication. So there's two different things. Drugs is maintaining, suppressing the system. But what we are doing, we are balancing the body, removing the toxin from the body, and make the body become more efficient. Okay?
Okay, great.
Clear?
Let me translate that to Hindi because I saw some comments asking me to translate that in Hindi because I just got carried away and everything was in English. अच्छा, सवाल ये था, मैंने उनसे डॉक्टर शिवा से पूछा था कि आप जो अभी एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते आप एक DXN को बाकी के फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी से क्या अलग पाते हो, क्या किस नज़र से देखते हो? तो उनका कहना ये था कि DXN जो है ये नेचुरल हर्बल बेस्ड कंपनी है जहाँ पे हर चीज़ ऑर्गेनिकली की जाती है, पूरे सर्टिफिकेशंस उसके सब कुछ सही है और एक ऐसी कंपनी है जिस पे भरोसा किया जा सकता है कि जो प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी है वो अप्रतिम है और इसीलिए एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर जब वो किसी अच्छी प्रोडक्ट कंपनी के साथ जुड़ते हैं तब अपने पेशेंट को जब देते हैं तो उनको ये डर नहीं होता है कि प्रोडक्ट सही है कि गलत है, उनको सोर्स पता है, कहाँ से आता है, कैसे उसको मेंटेन किया गया है, सब कुछ पता है। इसीलिए उनका मानना ये है कि आज जो ज़रूरत है कि उनके जैसे जो होलिस्टिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स है इन्होंने जब DXN के जैसे कंपनियों के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो वो बिना सोचे आप आराम से उसे प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो और लोगों को हेल्प कर सकते हो और ये आज की ज़रूरत भी है क्योंकि लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ इतने बढ़ गए हैं क्योंकि सिर्फ एलोपैथी दवाइयाँ लेके हम कहीं जाने वाले नहीं हैं। डायबिटीज़ पेशेंट आखिरकार जाएगा डायलिसिस के लिए ही, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं ये बीच वाला रास्ता जहाँ हम डायरेक्शन चेंज करें डायबिटीज़ वाला डायलिसिस की तरफ नहीं जाते हुए अपने खुद को उम्र को लंबी करने के पीछे लग सकता है। तो हमारे जो गैनोडर्मा, स्पिरुलिना, मोरेंजी ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है सब सोच समझ के बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट्स है और सब अपने शरीर को एक तो डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, अपने शरीर में अल्कलिनिटी पैदा करने के लिए और अपने शरीर को साफ सुथरा और अच्छा करने के लिए है। ओके, फैंटास्टिक। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Dr. Shiva, I know that you are an iridologist and this is a very interesting word, iridology, and I want to know what is iridology.
Okay, iridology is one of the tools that we all used to diagnose from the eye. Okay, so we scan the eye of the person. From the eye, we see what is going on with their system, whether past, previous, present, and future. So once we see the past, I mean, there have been accident, we can see them. There's been some injury happen in their body. And present, what is the condition of the system? And past, future means that where they are leading. So iridology is one of the methodology that we can use to search, to see, like a blood test. We can, once we get the blood test, we can get the information. So we know what's happening to the person. Same thing like iridology. We can see we can check the patient from the iridology, from their eye. We can analyze. We know where they are leading. So when we know where they are leading, what we'll do, we try to balance back their system. You see. So once we want to balance back the system, we know the current problem. So whatever they are taking from the hospital, they keep on taking. We don't stop whatever medication or whatever, because we are not a drug medicine to treat any diseases, to control any diseases. We are not that. So we are trying to balance back the system. At the same time, we will tell them, maintain whatever you take in the hospital, follow up with the hospital. You don't stop all these things. Continue as usual, and adding the nature medication together to make your system more perfect. In the longer run, reducing the medication, stopping the medication, let the hospital do it. It's not our job. Okay, so that is the part of the consultation we are giving. So it's basically a tool of analysis of a system.
Oh, great. And I see you are the president of the iridology. What is it? It's the group, right? The whole association.
So, correct. In 2016, when we get know that every practitioners need to be registered to the government sectors on the alternative medicine, so what they come out with some procedures, so guidelines. That means you need to form an association. So many years I'm practicing. After that, the knowledge is not giving properly to the members, whoever want to study iridology. So what we do, we create an association, we create the platform for them to grow up. So in that platform, we create them more, become leader, and also become an iridologist. At the same time, we also add in the gynotherapy in it.
Wow, very good. Let me translate that. मैंने डॉक्टर शिवा जो है वो इरिडोलॉजिस्ट भी है. ये इरिडोलॉजी एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जहाँ पे आँखों को देख के, आँखों में क्या होता है, उससे आप शरीर के अंदर जो भूत में हो, वर्तमान में हो या भविष्य में क्या बीमारियाँ हो रही है या हो रही है अंदर क्या, उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी मिलती है. ये एक स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रैक्टिस है जिसकी पीछे एक्सपीरियंस लगता है. डॉक्टर शिवा काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें, और वो एक ऐसे एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट भी है जिन्होंने ये सीख जो है, ये इरिडोलॉजी, ये अपने लोगों को जिनको इंटरेस्ट है उनको सिखाते भी है. इसकी एक खासियत है कि ये आंखों से देख के पता कर लेते हैं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ये फिर भी आपको बोलते हैं कि आप अपनी दवाई चालू रखो, अपना मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है वो फॉलो अप करो हॉस्पिटल के साथ, लेकिन इससे ऐड करो कि अपने अंदर क्या हो रहा है ये समझ लो और उसके साथ अपनी लाइफ को चेंज करो. तो yes, Dr. Shiva, it seems to be very interesting because my wife, and I was telling her that this is one of the branches that Dr. Shiva is specialized in. So she was asking, oh, how is that possible? I said, why can't it be possible? If you look at the eye that has icterus, the yellow eye, and there is some problem in the liver, jaundice. So similarly, there are many things that you can actually look into the eye and you can know what is wrong in your body. Oh, then she got convinced. So I totally agree, and someday we will probably take a full program on this. For now, this is good enough. Okay. तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. We go back to the question session and we go to question number 3. How do you use iridology and gynotherapy in your clinical practice?
Okay. So iridology, as I told you, is a method to identify what is going wrong with the patient, with the person with the client that come and see us. So when we analyze their eye, we will tell them what is going on with your system. we are not telling them what their disease, what is their diseases. We don't want to know about diseases. We only talk about the system. The system is linked together with our body, with our together with all human. So when everything is linked together, we have to see a patient, a client, a customer as a whole holistically. So when we analyze them, we will tell them how about your blood circulatory and what's happening to your nephritis system, what is happening to neuro system. So when we talk one by one, they will agree, they will come back to the conclusion. So after that, they will sure ask you back, yeah, what you tell is correct, and what is the solution? So I said, okay, the solution is we reverse back the system using gynotherapy method. Okay, gynotherapy will reverse back the system by treating the system, not the diseases. Treating the system, immunize the system, let the body improve your health. So the body have all the ability to treat by own. Okay, so when we use the gynotherapy as a treatment, then we also tell them what is the reactions, what is the thing. So this is the method that we combine together. So we find the problem analysis, and we give the solution analysis with the gynotherapy. So iridology and gynotherapy we put together to make sure the patient have the customer have a complete details of their solutions.
Fantastic.
It's a package of solution.
फैंटास्टिक डॉक्टर शिवा ने एक अद्भुत अपनी जो इरिडोलॉजी की जो खूबसूरती वाली प्रैक्टिस थी उसके साथ गैनोथेरेपी को ऐड किया। यहाँ पे गैनोथेरेपी का मतलब आप समझ जाइए कि हम जो गैनोडर्मा और बाकी के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है स्पिरुलिना, मुरंजी, बाकी जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है डीएक्शन के, इसको लेके शरीर में दो चीज़ें करते हैं। एक शरीर की स्वच्छता जिसे कहते हैं डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, दूसरा शरीर में संतुलन जिसे कहते हैं बैलेंस। ये दोनों करते हैं, इसी को गैनोथेरेपी के नाम से जाना जाता है। शरीर के ऊपर काम करता है। हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, जो फूड सप्लीमेंट जिसे बोलते हैं, ये शरीर पे काम करता है और शरीर जो ताकतवर होने के बाद वो बीमारियों से लड़ता है। फैंटास्टिक। सो नाउ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, एंड दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड टुडेज टाइम। कैन वन बूस्ट one's immunity overnight? If so, how? Because this question I'm asking you because there are a lot of ads and coming now, you can boost your immune system in 2 days, 3 days. What is your take on this question?
Okay, our body, you see, you must understand one thing. Whenever we born, okay, we are still a child, somebody feeding us. After that, we start to learn to walk, and from born we not running. It takes you like 3 years to make you run perfectly, you know. That one also you go and hit here and there. So in 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you develop your brain. 4 to 6 is a child brain developing time, and 6 to 12 is the brain is developing more, and it's keep on growing and you become matured. So this is the body is like a Lego set. It start to fix and fix and fix. When you keep on fixing it, you will find it some of the Lego set are loosening. Then you try to fix it back. So our body is like a daily maintenance body. Okay, you cannot say you eat today, 10 days you are starving. Okay, but next day you go and eat also. So you must know that immunity is a daily life cycles. You must maintain it in a longer run. And a lot of people don't understand that. They think taking nature medicine or supplements, 1 month, then they become a Superman. Okay, so it's not like that. It's a daily basis that you need to maintain your system. At the same time, you must have your holistic way also. Means that you must have a good sleep, 6 to 8 hours per day, water, whenever you need, you drink. Don't drink too much, don't drink too little. Drink, follow your system, and don't eat too much, don't eat too less. Follow your system. Everything has been collectively combining together into your system. Your body is the best doctor to know everything, and it keep on every day telling you what is the problem. When the body telling you what is the problem, you have to act like that. You must understand, when you're hungry, you go and eat. But you don't go and eat 3 o'clock, even though you don't hungry, you go and eat that. No. So the body knows each and every protocols, procedures, principle. It knows. You can't change it. Nowadays, we feel that we are controlling the system. Not the system is controlling you. It's already reversed. So when you start to controlling your system, you think, hey, I want to live 150 years. Cannot. That is system to decide whether you want to live 150 years or not. How you maintain the system? What are the essence you put into the system? What are the mind, mentally, physical things you give to the system? What are the dietary food you're giving to the system? All these things are playing a role to sustain your immunity thing. So when your immune system is keep on coming in, there are a lot of disasters like viruses, bacteria always attacking you in and out. The moment I'm sitting down here, surrounding me got a lot of viruses, bacteria. We don't see. It keep on attacking. It keep on entering your body. But the body system know how to kill it, how to balance it, based on your immunity. And all the Ganoderma, all the holistic medication help you to maintain the system immunity up to 100 level. Okay. So when you're hungry, your glucose is go down. What you feel tired. But when you eat, you feel better. The glucose is go up. So these are the things you need to understand. Everything is go daily basis. You must maintain your system daily. Not like one day you eat, 10 days you starving. Okay?
So that means to make it very clear, immunity cannot be built overnight.
No.
Okay.
You must go consequently, slowly, basely, in a long term.
Yeah. So let me translate that in Hindi. ये सवाल मैंने उनसे ये पूछा डॉक्टर शिवा से कि क्या हमारी जो रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता है, हम आजकल जो चल रहा है कि आप अपनी रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता को बढ़ाइए, बूस्ट अप कीजिए, क्या ये अभी कर सकते हैं एक दो दिन में या 3 दिन में हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम क्या बूस्ट अप हो सकती है? तो उनका जवाब भी नहीं था, जो मेरा भी है कि आप 1-2 दिन में ये नहीं कर सकते। और उन्होंने अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया। उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल ये दिया कि आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम एक लेगो बनाने वाली खिलौने की तरह होते हैं। जब एक एक पार्ट डालना पड़ता है तब कहीं आपका वो पूरा लेगो का सेट पूरा तैयार हो जाए। अगर कहीं एक पार्ट गलत हो गया तो पूरा गलत भी हो सकता है। तो इसको आपको डिसिप्लिन के साथ उसको रोज़ करना है। तो आप क्या खाते हो, कैसे सोते हो, क्या सोचते हो, ये सब मायने रखता है आपकी इम्यूनिटी बनाने के लिए। उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया कि जैसे बच्चा होता है, पैदा होते ही उसको चलना फिरना खाना सब कुछ आता नहीं है, लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे सीखता है, फिर उसमें वो माहिर बन जाता है, उसको फिर चलना भी आता है, दौड़ना भी आता है, सब कुछ करना आता है। उसी तरह आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम को आप कैसे तैयार कर रहे हो, आप उसको कैसे बढ़ावा दे रहे हो, आप उसको कैसे ताकतवर बना रहे हो कि खुद क खुद वो एक दिन आने वाली कोई भी बीमारी हो उससे आपको बचा सके। तो ये आपके लिए एक लंबे समय का वक्त गुजारना पड़ेगा। और सच मानो तो DXN आज वो कंपनी में से शायद दुनिया में एकमात्र ऐसी कंपनी है जो शरीर, मन, खाना, ये सब के बारे में आज सिखा रही है। ये सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट बेचने के पीछे नहीं लगी है, ये आपको एक लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बता रही है। So very good, thank you so much. That brings us to the last question of this Coffee at Home show, and this is a very, very important question. COVID-19, should I be scared? Should I be scared, Dr. Shiva?
Okay. So you see, when you said scared, currently everybody is scared. Okay.
Yes.
The government also scared. Everybody is scared. So we have to follow the rules and regulation. What government and ministries are talking. We are the one who can break the chain. And to say scared, you need to find in your mind. If you're too scared, you are bringing the virus in you. Okay. Be positive. Don't be negative. Be positive. So the positiveness is actually to fight to break the chain. So the best thing what you can do, take a lot of Ganoderma, all these things I have quoted. You can take that to strengthen your food, strengthens your body, and at the same time get a good food and a healthy lifestyles and a good diet, and also do some like exercise. Don't sleep too much. All these things now holidays are people will start to sleep too much. That also not good for the body. Okay, you must activate yourself. You must make yourself busy. This is time you stay in the house. You can do lot of things that you not done in your house. Cleaning, washing, a lot of things, painting. So many things you can do. Actually, keep yourself busy. Okay, for DXN members, we always busy with all the calling all the members, taking product, push the sales. This is the method. And always remember, follow the government rules and regulation.
Yeah.
Make sure you follow accordingly. And everybody promise in one place, we can break the chain and we can come out with this. This is not a person challenge, it's actually world challenge. Okay, it's a world challenge, and we need to follow every country's ministries and follow them, listen to them, do it acting accordingly. Okay.
Very good. Yes. Let me translate that in Hindi. डॉक्टर शिवा से मैंने पूछा कि अब ये जो नया जो कोविड वायरस के बारे में जो ये पैंडमिक चल रहा है, तो क्या हमें डरना चाहिए? तो उनका कहना है कि हाँ, एक तरह से डरना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम किसी का ज़रिया न बने कि ये रोग कहीं और दूसरों को फैले। इसलिए गवर्नमेंट की बातें मानो, घर में लॉकडाउन रहो, चेन को तोड़ने में मदद करो। जितना हम इस चेन को तोड़ने में मदद करेंगे, उतनी जल्दी हम इस पे विजय प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। डर सबको लगा हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट को लगा हुआ है, इंसानों को लगा है, सब लोग डरे हुए हैं। लेकिन ये डर में हम गलत काम नहीं करना चाहिए, हमने सूझबूझ के साथ सही काम करना चाहिए। जो इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलती है आपको, बार बार आती है आपको गवर्नमेंट से, जो ऑथराइज सोर्स है, इनके पास ये बातों को ध्यान में रखिए, इनको फॉलो करिए, इनके रूल्स को मत तोड़िए। जैसे ही आपने ये सब लोगों ने फॉलो किया, एक ही इस तरह सब सोसाइटी ने बिहेव किया, डिसिप्लिन लाया, तो ये वायरस का जो नेटवर्क है, जो ये स्प्रेड होने वाला जो उसका जाला बिछाया हुआ है, वो टूट जाएगा और हम सब बहुत ही जल्द इसमें से बाहर निकल पाएंगे। उसके साथ उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि आप अपने सप्लीमेंट्स लीजिए, अच्छा RGGL, स्पिरुलिना, मोरेंजी, ये अपने आप को बूस्ट करने के लिए, अपने आप को और हेल्दी बनाने के लिए। दूसरा, आप ज़्यादा सोइए मत, ज़्यादा अपना टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए घर में, थोड़ा सा घर काम कीजिए, जैसे मैं करता हूँ, झाड़ू पोछा, आप भी थोड़ा बहुत करो, आप घर का काम करो, फिर आप थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज भी करो, ज़्यादा सो मत, और कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरह अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को लाए, कुछ ना कुछ कीजिए। DXN के मेंबर्स तो काफ़ी बिजी है, अपनी मीटिंग्स जारी रखिए, लोगों को समझाते रहिए, ये हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम है समझाने का। सो डॉक्टर शिवा, दैट मीन्स वी आर हियर एट द एंड ऑफ द शो, एंड इट हैड बीन a fantastic experience. I'm meeting you for the first time virtually, but it is one of the most memorable events here, and I really enjoyed your talk. You know, you gave a great insight into a lot of things I believe in. And when you believe in something, when you have somebody to endorse it, when people like y'all endorse it, it feels good, you know, that we are on the same path, we are on the same track, and we all can in some way bring about a little difference into this world, you know. And I have always been a fan of doctors who can speak, because I love doctors who can speak rather than doctors who can just prescribe. And you are one of those who speaks well. So I would love to call you again on this show. So very soon we will invite you again. And anything you want to add before you leave to everybody, the audience in general?
So the last before I left, stay safe, stay healthy, follow all the government rules accordingly. And the first one, don't ever sending all this fake WhatsApp. So the WhatsApp is actually playing a big role in sending lot of wrong information. Always sending the correct information, what all the countries' ministries are giving. Follow them and get the correct information and given to a lot of people. Now, lot of wrong messages is keep on flying around. This is not good for everybody. So please check your WhatsApp. Don't keep on forwarding the wrong messages. If you find that message is wrong, if you find that one is correct, make sure you double check it. After you send, then you find out that is a wrong information. So don't do that. Be safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. The DXN product, holistic medicine, always with you and will help you. Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Siva, no, you cannot go like this, okay? Somebody watched you very closely, and he said that Dr. Siva can understand Hindi. Did he guess right? Do you understand Hindi?
Some words I can understand, but not all.
So that is the Manjunath.
Watching some Hindi movie.
Acha, just off the question, you know, because you're at coffee at home. Do you watch Hindi movies? Who is your favorite star?
My wife actually she can. I was always see the Hindi movie. Salman Khan, favorite Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, and every time when she watch movie, she can understand all the Hindi, because she always front line with these Nepalese members. So from there she learned a lot of Hindi words. She cannot speak, but she can understand whatever you speak. So I sit down always with her, seeing Hindi movie, and keep on to say what he said. because sometimes we don't see the titles in the below, the wordings below. So you are confused what this guy is telling. Then he keep on translate to me, Then from there I capture one or two, but she's good.
Okay,
she's
she's good. Okay,
Yes.
so now those people who have really spent out this time, they have come on watching us live. I think we can throw in for some few questions, one or two questions, if you don't mind, from the people.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Yes, so Unmesh Nilapwar had asked, are we taking questions? The answer is Dr. Siva is okay to take questions. So I'll just check through if there is any question on the group. Yes, thank you, government supporting de-action. Okay. For now, no, but we have just posed the question, so let's wait. In the meantime, I believe that we had a good session. We had almost more than 200 plus people watching us live, and that's a good thing.
Okay.
And Facebook, the video remains on that, and it comes to us after, people can watch this again and again, anytime, whenever they want to. So yes, let us see any questions. So we had one. Okay, I think our talk was pretty clear and simple, that everything is just build up your immunity and then everything is taken care of. So
correct.
I mean, people, there are only two possibilities when no questions come. Either they have understood us completely, or they have not understood us anything. So in both ways, we are happy. We are fine.
Yes.
Okay, so we wait. Okay. Now we have somebody asking a question. Okay. I pulled that question up on the screen, and it says, this is from Frankie Lian Labang, and the question is, how receptive are the community in Malaysia and globally on iridology?
Very good. That's why I said from the beginning, first when I start with loan, and it's very hard to move, because alternative medicine in Malaysia in 2005, 6, all these things in 2000 is quite weak. But after we prove one by one case studies, and people start to believe on it, and slowly the group is keep on growing. And you can see in a normal daytime, when I open my center, daily I can see around 20 patients. So in a week, 6 days I open, Sunday close. So in a week, I can see around 100 patients. In 1 month time, 400 to 500 patients. So we can see the thing is actually growing. People are getting know about alternative medication, and they know about something is needed to boost their immune system. Because when they came to us, we are explaining them clearly that what we are doing is not we are treating them or curing them for any diseases. That is, hospital will take care. We don't interrupt with them. What we do, we balance the system. We make the body to come back to the normal condition. So from there, after a few months, we got the feedback from because we don't stop people going hospital, taking medication, or let them do. But after their system is improving, and the medical doctors in the hospital, they can see there's a changes in the system, and they also happy seeing this thing. And some doctors are calling me. They said very good. The patient is improving. All these kind of things. So keep on taking together, okay, and always listen to the professionals. Not good. Don't always listen to auntie, uncle always become doctor suddenly. Okay, nowadays we can see a lot of doctor people. You go walk in the street also, you say what pain, they will tell you 1001 solution. Yeah. So don't do that. Every time follow the right sources and follow accordingly.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have one more question coming up. This is from Dr. Poovan Muthia. Can we get an example of many chronic case you have dealt with? An example.
Okay, you see, chronic cases happening because of immunity defense, immunity disease, under the immunity. Because chronic cases like arthritis is under the immunity. If you say cancer, it's also immunity. So most of the cases, when you say chronic, it's under the immune. See, what we do, we improve the immune. So we don't deal with the chronic. We don't want to know about what are the diseases they have. We don't need to know. That is the part of the hospitalization. The hospital let them handle, and it's their job to settle all these things. We don't interrupt into their field. So they have their own method and to balance it. What we can do, we can put together, we can combine together, okay, to make the symptom or the problem can be recovered faster. Okay, so if you see chronic cases, so many chronic cases, arthritis, what you call nephritis syndrome, all these things is under the chronic, and everything come back under the immune. And 99.9 chronic cases is under the immune. So we are dealing with immune. We are not dealing to cure the diseases. That is a hospital part. Let them handle that. Let them deal with the hospitals. We don't want to interrupt that. But what we do, we balance the system, immunize the system, let the immune have all the ability to balance the system. So it's come back. Like chicken egg, we always keep on talking, we will say. End of the day, our main motive, immune the system. Finish. Okay? Whatever it is, doesn't matter. Immune the system, let the body take care. Simple, straightforward.
ये बहुत सिंपल जवाब दे दिया कि जो सवाल था कि क्रॉनिक पेशेंट्स को आपने कभी संभाला है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसे बहुत सारे पेशेंट को, और लेकिन मुझे यहाँ पे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी, उन्होंने जब क्रॉनिक की बात की कि क्रॉनिक जो भी डिजीज़ क्रॉनिक होते हैं वो इम्यून सिस्टम से ही जुड़े होते हैं, तो आप इम्यून सिस्टम को ठीक कीजिए, आपकी क्रॉनिक कंडीशन खुद ब खुद ठीक हो जाएगी. फैंटास्टिक. आई थिंक वी कैन टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. वी आर जस्ट ऑन टाइम नाउ. वी आर almost about to close, and let me see if I can pull one. Okay, here I have one question. It's only Bimal. Due to corona, I take DXN product too much. So somebody tell me, if we take spirulina too much, it makes our damage. What about it, doctor?
Okay, holistic medicine is like what you are eating. You are eating rice from the day I think the day you after 6 months, 1 month, your mother already feel you eat rice already. Okay, so holistic medication is actually botanically grown and it don't have any side effects. Okay, and it's not a cure for any diseases. Remember that it's not a cure for any diseases. It does not have any side effect. It's categorized under the food. So what the nature do, what the nature always helping you to balance your body, remove the toxin and improve your immune system, and the body has all the ability to fight it. So don't worry, you can take as much as you can, no issue. Okay,
great. Thank you so much, Dr. Siva. And there are many questions. If you get time, you could just browse through the comment section, and if you can just answer them, that will be great. So again, thank you so much for coming here. And from all the viewers, I would like to wish you almost a very safe stay at home, and help as much people as you can by doing such chat shows, because everything that you educate and you teach actually inspires many more people. There are budding doctors, holistic practitioners, and they can see that they can have a very great career with DXN, or also establish themselves in their own specialty of alternative medicine. Thank you so much. Namaste from India.
Thank you from Malaysia.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Dr. Siva Kumar, and he today gave us a very great insight into what is the real way alternative medicine works. कैसे हमारे शरीर पे ये जो जड़ी बूटियाँ है, जिसे हमें खाना भी कहते हैं, ये कैसे हमारे शरीर पे काम करती है और हमारी रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता को कैसे बढ़ाती है. How does it improve our immune system? And once your immune system is strong, there's nothing to fear about. And that is what we learned today from Dr. Siva. The take-home message is, even under COVID-19 situation, if we follow the rules and the guidelines from the government, stay home, take good nutrition, take good rest, keep yourself working out, you are sure to remain healthy for another 100+ years. So don't fear anything. आप घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्डर्स को पालन कीजिए. लॉकडाउन बोला तो लॉकडाउन, डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है तो डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, ये सब कीजिए. अच्छी खुराक लीजिए, अच्छा नींद लीजिए, अच्छा व्यायाम कीजिए, और ये बीमारी से भी हम कभी भी हम लोग पीड़ित नहीं हो सकते और इससे भी निकल पाएंगे. तो ये अच्छी मैसेज हमारे को आज मिली. नाउ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड टू जस्ट अ लिटिल इन्फॉर्मेशन कि टुमारो वी हैव अ स्पेशल शो दैट इज़ कमिंग अप फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इट इज़ ऑन DXN बिजनेस. नाउ क्योंकि अभी एक्सक्लूसिवली बिजनेस के लिए भी हमको एक शो करना है, एंड प्लीज़ वॉच द ट्रेलर सो दैट यू नो हु इज़ कमिंग टुमारो. आप ज़रूर ये ट्रेलर देखिए तो आपको पता चलेगा कल कौन आ रहा है 5 बजे के हमारे हमारे शो में जिसका नाम है वन वर्ल्ड वन मार्केट बिजनेस टॉक्स. टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच फ्रॉम मी एंड सी यू सून. नमस्ते.
मिस्टर कोरैम्बो, पूरी दुनिया पर आपका राज है. हम आपके गुलाम, आप हमारे सरताज हैं.
कोरैम्बो खुश हुआ.
मिस्टर कोरैम्बो, अमेरिका वालों के लिए आपकी लाइफ हार्ड है. आप ही वहाँ के बादशाह हैं, आप ही ट्रम्प कार्ड हैं.
कोरैम्बो खुश हुआ.
मिस्टर कोरैम्बो, चीन में कोरोना का कहर जारी है. वहाँ अब इन्फेक्शन पार्ट 2 की बारी है.
कोरैम्बो खुश हुआ. धागा तेजा, इसी तरह पूरी मेहनत से तुम लोग काम करते रहो. और जरा कोरैम्बो की बात मिस्टर इंडिया से करवाओ.
ओके बॉस.
मिस्टर इंडिया हियर. कोरैम्बो हियर.
हाँ बोलो.
पूरी दुनिया में ये तबाहियां, ये बर्बादियां, ये बीमारियां, ये इन्फेक्शन, ये मौतें, ये सब अगर इसी तरह चलता रहा तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब हिंदुस्तान पर भी कोरैम्बो का राज होगा.
हिंदुस्तान पर राज करने का सपने देखने वालों, तुम्हारे अंदर इतना सैनिटाइजर ठोकूंगा कि शरीर में कभी अल्कोहल की कमी नहीं होगी. यह मिस्टर इंडिया का वादा है. इसे कहते हैं छका. बंद कर अपनी बकवास और फोन रख.
कोरैम्बो खुश नहीं हुआ.